Today, I'll walk you through how to make a portfolio in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a stunning portfolio so you can showcase your work effectively. Let's dive in. First, open your Notion application. If you're unfamiliar with Notion, think of it like a digital notebook where you can organize your thoughts, projects, and of course your portfolio. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you're in Notion, look for the plus sign, which allows you to add a new page. Click on that plus sign. This is your starting point for building your portfolio. Next, we'll explore templates. Click on the templates option. Templates are like pre-designed blueprints that can save you time and effort. They provide a structure that you can customize to fit your style and needs. Now, navigate to the templates section again. This time, we're going to search for portfolio templates. Click on templates once more, and then use the search bar to find portfolio. This step is crucial as it helps you discover a variety of designs that can suit your personal brand. After searching, you'll see a list of portfolio templates available. Choose the one that resonates with you the most. Remember, your portfolio should reflect your personality and the type of work you do. Once you've selected a template, click on Add. This action will integrate the template into your workspace, making it accessible for you to modify. Now, look at the left pane of your Notion dashboard. You should see your new portfolio template listed there. Click on it. This is where the fun begins as you start to personalize your portfolio. Finally, it's time to modify and personalize your portfolio. Add details based on your preferences, such as your projects, skills, and any other information that showcases your work. Think of this as decorating a room. You want it to feel like you and represent your unique style. And there you have it. You've successfully created a portfolio in Notion. Remember, your portfolio is a living document, so feel free to update it regularly as you complete new projects or gain new skills. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.